We will be going through the different types of sales specific to this module now. First, we will do an order for an existing client. Takeaway and collection works the same. On this order screen, you can see the order under Orders Waiting. You can open the Food Pass screen. Here you can mark things as waiting or complete. This screen can be left open on another screen to show clients or staff what is ready. Next, we will do a delivery to a non-existing client. You can add notes for your drivers, like instructions left by the client. On the delivery screen, you can see all the current deliveries. You can mark them as complete here once done as well. Next, we will do a table order. You will see I already have a layout set up. I will show how to do this in room orders. Table orders can be merged or split. It's important to note that layouts can't be edited when there are open sales. Before you can edit the layout, you need to turn on Edit mode. In this mode, you can move, resize, change color, or rename an object. Remember to save the layout when done.